Ka state level inter-school athletic meet kabala pelong hadu lai singi lenter ha Sport Authority of India SAI Nihu Shillong lapan Kutnoh nin ka singi da ka Jingjop shit. Ya ka nega sport meet arja apsan lapelong da ka Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs ka Sorkar Meghalaya ha ka jinge tray lang bat ka Meghalaya Athletic Association. Lastang ya ka nega sport meet arja apsan adu ka karknai trik hadu ka arpar trik ujemang arja apsan lapan I kisau pratli kijai jingile kai mat palat njos pa propongut kinong ilakai na keleng kikat ligi district jong kajula Meghalaya kilawan Malaysia benta haki kedan ta baper haringkat kilai penrengut ki officer kiri urang ba kibladan lang hagan negasi penkut kilong usri rakam sangma menteri katnat pule puti kum ukongsan usri Didi Shira MCS Director Katnat Sport and Youth Affairs jong kasorkar jela Usri PB War Nongbri Additional Director Katnat Ilakai, Usri K Pasa Assistant Director Katnat Ilakai, Sri WL Waziri Principal Shillong Polytechnic Institute, bat kiwei ki he officer jong Katnat Ilakai, ki pulit kinong punya school, kinong mikmat jong ka Meghalaya Athletic Association bat kisamla pule. Ka East Kasihil District kalayora ka overall champion jong ka state level inter-school athletic meet ajabsan da ka bagalakur ar prize li kitak maksiar katwit li kitak marupa dan pratli kitak marnong. Ka East Kasihil kalayo ru ya ka kusna best team haga kerdan jong ki kena senrang da ka bakur sport li kitak maksiar ya ka kenhun ka babahatam lakuru da ka East Kasihil da ka bakur kat light li kitak maksiar kat ba ka kerdan baar ka kerdan ki kena senrang layo banku da ke East Jingjop District da ka bakalayo kur santli kitak maksiar kat ba haka kerdan ki kena ketei kanot Baroh Hills kalakur lightly kitak maksiar. Susu ke East Kasihil kala job ya ka namladu jukinong ilakai ka babatam da ka ba kala job ya ki southli ki Lampung ilakai haka kerdan under 16 but under 18 baru artli ki kerdan jong ki kena senrang. Ka best athlete na ka benta ki boys and girl under 14 kala lek syau rikangku di sangma na South Baroh Hills. Bat ka agang esa sangma na West Baroh Hills. Haka kerdan under 16 Usaidul Ali na East Kasihil ulayo ya ka kusnam kum ka best athlete na ka benta ki kena senrang bat ka rukini arti dekhar na ka benta ki kena kentei.
Many richest individual in the world belongs to the sports industry. Therefore, my young friends, let us ignite ourselves. Let us be challenged that sports should be my professional and this is an opportunity to earn your livelihood. My dear friends, sport integrate, binds us together of different community, different tribes, different religion. There is no boundary of loving towards the sport. Therefore, let us unite our heart. Let us be together in fighting for the better battles tomorrow at the national or international level. Friends, the music, the sport has no any boundary, has no any limit. Therefore, you must endure yourself that you must go beyond the limit and beyond the boundary that you understood. Therefore, as a region, as a state, we have experience, we understand that the research as a government, our Honorable Chief Minister, it is dynamic leadership and the visionary governance of the state. We want to promote sport industry along with the music and others. We want to see the young boys and girls coming up and representing the state and bringing the glory to the state and to the community. But my dear friends, my dear students, we end up somewhere. At the same time, I would request you to my personal thought. During my student times, I never miss any tournament during my schools for the participation or in any World Cup match, be it cricket, be it football or any games. We always watch even during exam time. The World Cup match is in the middle of the night. If the next day is the exam, but we always wake up and watch the entire game because the moment, the excitement for the games is very much on our heart and minds. But at the same time, I never fail in any of the exam because I never compromise my studies too. Therefore, my dear students, I will leave this word with you. Yes, you want to be a sports person, but do not compromise your study too. Otherwise, your excitement, your encouragement, your motivation will be enough somewhere. Therefore, along with your spirit for the sport, you must carry along the spirit for education. Therefore, at the end, may I congratulate the sport officials for a successful conduct of this athlete meet, and it's my request that let the best team as you win, but let us continue to work hard to bring glory for the state.